Hello everyone, I'm Rick Wright with the Livestock Markets Association of Canada Regional Livestock Market Report this week, November the 16th, originating out of Ontario. This week in Ontario, the fed cattle prices on the live weight market traded from 132 to 140. That was 228 on the rail. On the cow market, steady to lower prices on the cows this week at 52 to 68, with the good cows trading to kill at 76. And feeder cows bringing $2 to $5 higher. On the good bull market, your good killing bulls traded from 86 to $1 with sales to 115. Moving over to take a look at the feeder cattle market, they had about 7,200 stockers and feeders sell in Ontario last week. The good calves weighing 300 to 400 pounds averaged 237. The high seller for the week over at Rainy River at the Stratton Sales Barn on Saturday at 308. Your good 400 to 500 pounders traded from 234 on the average. Your high sellers for the week, 287.50 at the Katy market. 500 to 600 pound steers in Ontario this week averaged 217. High seller of the week was over at Kawartha Lakes, and they topped the market for the week at 257.50. 600 to 700 pound stocker steer calves averaged in Ontario $2 with a little 50 behind them, with your sales topping off the week at 235. Your 700 to 800 pound steers averaged 187.75, with sales topping for the week in Ontario at 213. Yearling sales this week in Ontario, your good 800 to 900 pound yearling steers off the grass traded at 169.50 on the average. Sales topped the week at 205 over at Kawartha Lakes. Your good 900 to 1,000 pound steers averaged 171 in the ring. Your high sellers for the week at 185.50 over at Cookstown, and the steers over 1,000 pounds averaged 166, with Brussels having the high seller for the week at 184. Moving to the heifer calf market, your 300 to 400 pound heifer calves averaged 209 for the week. Top sales at 260 over at Rainy River. They had a lot of demand on those light cattle over at that sales barn on their final sale of the year. Your good 400 to 500 pound heifer calves averaged 194.25 with sales to 229 at Rainy River. Your 5 to 6 weights at 185.75 for the week. Topping the market again was Rainy River on Saturday at 227. 6 to 7 weights averaged 175 for the week. The high seller was over at Brussels at 212.5. Your 700 to 800 pound heifer calves averaged 165 across the board, and the high seller for the week at 195 over in Cookstown. On the yearling heifers, 800 to 900 pound heifers averaged 152.25 for the week in Ontario. Brussels topped the market for the week at 178. And your 900 to 1,000 pound heifer calves traded from 141.50 on the average. A high seller again on Friday over at Brussels at 169. We expect the deliveries for Ontario to be steady, the market to be fully steady to strong for next week, as there seems to be more and more local interest each and every week. And don't forget to tune in each and every week for a brand new report from the Livestock Markets Association of Canada on the Canadian Angus Association website. I'm Rick Wright. Have a good day and good marketing.